Hi everyone, this is Scott from iBwave Solutions. We're coming to you live here at Mobile World Congress 2012. It's day 4 and we've been showcasing our latest mobile app, which will be available in 3 weeks. And for those of you that weren't able to make it over to Mobile World Congress, we wanted to give you a quick tour of iBwave Mobile and how this is working. So iBwave Mobile is an application that we've developed to really enhance the site survey process. What you'll be able to do with iBwave Mobile is, if I launch it here on a pad, you can access our cloud services, download projects, and actually capture information that you would do at a site survey. So over here what I've done, I've taken, for example, the floor plan of Hall 2 at Mobile World Congress. And we've just taken this with a quick screen capture. So this is a real life situation where we don't really have access to the official floor plans, and we were forced to capture some notes here. And once you've brought that floor plan into the application, we have the ability to drop different annotation pins in different locations. So we can identify equipment rooms, candidate antenna locations, power plugs. And to do this, it's actually quite simple. You simply have to choose a location where you want to create a push pin and hold that down. The push pin is automatically created. We have various different push pin styles to identify antennas, risers, and things like this. You can geolocate actually automatically from your device your long lats for that push pin. And down below, the really cool part is you'll be able to add text note, audio note, images, and video. So I'm going to go ahead and add a quick video just to illustrate how this works. So over here, I'm actually capturing maybe, think of an equipment room. And once we've captured that video, we can say here to store that video. In addition, many times when you're doing maybe an equipment room or potential candidate location for an antenna, you're going to want to add a picture. So we have the ability to take a picture using your pad device or, of course, mobile phone. We'll use that picture, so we're going to store the image here. And in addition to having the image, this is something that there's no way of doing it right now. I can directly edit and actually draw where my equipment will be. So if I want to illustrate where I'll be putting some equipment inside the equipment room, I can do that like this. I can also illustrate the cable route that I want to use, maybe location of other components that will be used and connected. So you can see the benefit of this is that you can have a field team actually capturing all this information for you, remote. Once they've finished capturing that information for you, those plans will be actually saved back to our cloud service, which we're calling Unity. And once that's on the cloud, again, either the designer that did this capture or a remote designer will be able to open that file with all the different annotation pins in iBwave Design, which you're all using right now. And I'll show you here what that looks like. So those annotation pins will show up in the software. We can click here. As you can see, in this case, we had captured a picture, and we've also captured some video. And so someone that hasn't been to a venue would be able to see all this information remotely through our cloud services. So just a quick snapshot of iBwave Mobile. Look for it shortly on App Store and Android Market. And I hope you're all going to enjoy this one. We look forward to getting your feedback on this. And of course, like all our other products, we're going to continue to innovate and bring in the latest.